In this video, we'll be doing a weekly analysis on the pair gold in multiple time frames for the upcoming week from the date of 17 towards 21st April 2023. Now gold on a weekly time frame in this week tried to make a breakout of the previous week's high and also this key level, but failed to do that. As you can see, it failed to close above that key level and faced this strong price rejection, came all the way down to make a retest on the previous key level that gold had with these multiple major retest points and currently finding support at that key level. So gold created a new support at that major key level, while also it has a major resistance at this key level over here, and on the breakout of either this support or this resistance level, we could be looking for trades on gold on a higher time frame point of view. So gold on the upcoming week, if continues to respect this area of support and starts to form these higher lows, then gold could continue pushing up, making a breakout of this previous week's high to continue creating new higher high to make a retest on this next key level that gold has with these two major highs, and gold would be hitting these all-time highs once again, and also that could be followed by a newly formed strong uptrend line which could be looking like something like this. However, if gold, instead of doing that, instead of creating these higher lows over here, if it closes below this area of support that it currently has with further bearish momentum, then we could be seeing gold to go for some deeper pullback towards this key level over here, all the way towards this key level in its attempt to make another retest on this higher time frame uptrend line. Now if we go to even shorter time frame like a daily time frame, then we can see our newly forming uptrend line, like a possible uptrend line, and also we can see our support and resistance level that we currently have. Now this is our area of support from this key level to this key level, where we expect gold to react from to continue this bullish run over here or make a break and close below to go for some deeper pullback from. So for us to look for trades on the short side, we need gold to make a break and close below this area of support with further bearish momentum to make a retest on these key levels over here as part of his deeper pullback. And for us to look for trades on the long side, we need gold to respect this area of support and make a breakout of this resistance level that it has with further bullish momentum. Now if you get even shorter time frame like a 4-hour time frame, then we can see the same key levels and zones that we just talked about on the daily to weekly time frame around here. We can see our area of support and also our area of resistance over here. Now on the upcoming week, if gold, instead of finding support around this area of support, makes a break and close below this area of support with further bearish momentum on a shorter time frame like a 30 minutes to 50 minutes time frame or like a 1-hour time frame, then you can go to this shorter time frame and look for trades on the short side on the breakout of certain shorter time frame structure that it could be forming over here after that break and close, in hopes of gold going for some even deeper pullback towards this key level over here that you can see on the weekly time frame right around here, which has multiple major retest points and which was gold's previous support. That's where we expect gold to continue pushing down to as part of its deeper pullback if it closes below those certain area of support with further bearish momentum. And if it even makes a break and close below this support level, instead of reacting from here, then the price might continue pushing down towards these next key levels as part of its deeper pullback move and also as an attempt to make a retest on this higher time frame uptrend line. However, if price, instead of closing below this area of support with further bearish momentum, if we see price reacting from this area of support, forming some sort of resistance around here by some consolidation and closing above that resistance zone, at least on a 4-hour time frame with further bullish momentum, then that might be an indication of price already made its pullback and might be continuing its bullish run that it started all the way from here to continue creating new higher highs. So if that's the case, if you see price making a retest on this area of support, forming some resistance, another shorter time frame resistance somewhere around here or here and closing above that resistance zone, then you can start to look for trades on the long side, setting your stop loss below the previous low that it made over here after that break and close happens, in hopes of price continuing to push up to make a retest on this resistance level over here. And if it even makes a break and close above that resistance level, then you can look for further long trades on gold in hopes of gold continuing to push up, creating new higher high to make a retest on this key level that you saw on the weekly time frame right around here, which is the all-time highs on gold major key level with these major retest points. So let's wait to see on which direction gold makes a breakout of from this support and resistance level on a higher time frame point of view by doing those shorter time frame analysis. So that's my analysis on gold in multiple time frames for the upcoming week, and I'll give a link to this whole trading view chart in the video description down below so you can see where all these trend lines, key levels and stuffs are. And if this video helped you guys, then make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next week with another analysis video on gold.